Namaste, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a software engineer tax role in Pune that most candidates overlook because they don't understand its real value. And don't skip this because this could open doors to international career opportunities. This role is from Regnology, a global leader in regulatory technology, working with 7,000 plus financial firms and 50 plus regulators across 60 countries, which means you'll be working on highly impactful, real world financial systems. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You'll be part of an international R&D team working on the Abacus banking software, focusing on regulatory and banking solutions like liquidity, credit risk, and reporting systems. So this is not just coding. It's working on systems that banks and regulators depend on daily. Most people don't realize this, but roles in RegTech give you strong domain expertise which can significantly boost your long-term career growth. Coming to your responsibilities, you'll be involved in analyzing, designing, programming, testing, maintaining, and documenting software solutions, along with supporting customers and business analysts for technical issues. You'll also create test cases, test data, user stories, and documentation, and collaborate with global teams including engineers, architects, and testers, giving you international exposure early in your career. To apply, you need a degree in computer science, business administration, or related fields with knowledge of SQL, Java, and databases, and a strong interest in working in an agile and international environment. The company is looking for someone who is proactive, communicative, and has a problem-solving mindset, along with the ability to work in a team and bring new ideas. Now, here's a big advantage. This role offers flexible working hours and remote working options, so even if you're not in Pune, you can still have a chance, which many candidates miss. Plus, you'll be working in a diverse and inclusive environment where growth and learning are strongly supported. So think about it. While others are applying randomly, you now have a specialized software engineer role in a global RegTech company, and missing this could mean losing a high-growth niche opportunity. The application link is in the description. Go apply now. If this helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for daily job updates, and comment below if you have any doubts. I'll help you out.